Hello, my name's Craig Rector. I'm a real estate agent here in Las Vegas with Keller Williams. Now, when I'm out talking to people, one of the questions that's most commonly asked is, what does it take to get a home loan? What are the requirements? So I've put together a quick little presentation here to go over what the requirements are. Let me share my screen real quick so we can get started. Okay, the basic requirements to qualify for a home mortgage. The typical first-time home buyer is often going to get an FHA loan, and the FHA loan has a credit score requirement of 620. Now, this might adjust slightly up and down over time, but right now it's really close to 620. If there's any changes, the lender will let you know, but that's a good score to be aiming for right now, 620. Down payment for an FHA loan is going to be 3.5% of the loan amount. And just in case you're not doing the math in your head, if it's $300,000 financed on the loan, the down payment's going to be $10,500. Lender's also going to be looking for a job history. It's going to require 2 years in the same job or similar jobs. Changing companies can be okay. Say you're a truck driver and you're driving a truck, but you keep changing companies. That's generally okay as long as you're always driving a truck. But if you park the truck and go off and become a bank teller, well, now you're 2 years and the job history is going to start over. Income requirements. The lender is going to require enough income to pay for the loan and, of course, support the dependents. Generally, they're going to only take about half of your income, at the most, half your income to pay for a house. They want to be sure you have money to eat. The debt to income ratio is kind of related to that, but say you have other debts on top of just the home payment. They don't want more than 50% of your income generally going to all the loans, and that would also include the home you're purchasing, plus a car payment, plus credit cards. So they're looking to have no more than 50% of your income going for all loan payments. Of course, they don't like bankruptcies. There's a 4-year cutoff for bankruptcies and no previous home foreclosures. And the requirement for that is 7 years. So you can't have a foreclosure in the past 7 years. Down payment programs. They provide a grant or partial grant for a down payment, and it also modifies the loan requirements. The Home is Possible program, HIP, that's going to require a credit score of around 660. And it's also going to have a lower debt to income ratio around 45%. Now keep in mind, when 2 or more people go in together to qualify for a home mortgage loan, everybody who's being used to qualify for the loan has got to meet all the requirements. If one person doesn't meet the requirements, the lender is not going to be able to use their income to help qualify for the loan. Now be sure to click subscribe for more videos. Click that bell for notifications when the new videos come out. Thank you very much. I hope that answered your questions on what it takes to qualify for a home mortgage. Now, if you want more details or have any other questions, just give me a call. My phone number is going to show up on the next screen. Thank you very much. Have a great day.